Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set text permissions in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the context list. From here we just go into channels, tap on a channel, then tap on the channel icon. Then in the top right corner tap on the pencil icon, then on more, and here if we scroll down we find texts. If you tap on this, then we can select from these three kinds of permissions: disabled, nobody can send text; enabled, anyone can send text; and admin, only moderators can send texts. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.